Let's start our journey in U.S. criminal law, one of the subjects of the multi-state bar examination. Scenario overview: Officers Abel and Barker respond to a 911 call about a domestic incident involving Joan Warner and her boyfriend, Charles Sampson. Joan's mother, Mrs. Warner, reports that Sampson has previously abused Joan and has made life-threatening threats. Upon arrival, Sampson refuses entry to the officers and denies any wrongdoing. Key legal and tactical considerations. Lawful authority to enter. Officers need a lawful basis to demand entry. Sampson's refusal to allow entry without a warrant is within his rights unless exigent circumstances exist. Exigent circumstances and emergency entry. The officers might argue exigent circumstances if they reasonably believe Joan is in immediate danger based on the mother's report and Sampson's aggressive behavior. Efforts to locate Joan. Before escalating the situation, officers should attempt to locate Joan by other means, such as contacting her friends or using technology to trace her phone. Forcible entry. Forcible entry is justified if officers have a reasonable belief that an emergency exists inside the house, such as a threat to Joan's life. Search warrant. To search for the gun or conduct a detailed search of the premises, officers should ideally obtain a search warrant unless they uncover evidence of immediate danger to life during their initial entry. Probable cause and arrest. Probable cause for Sampson's arrest could be established based on past allegations of abuse and threats if corroborated. However, an arrest warrant might be necessary unless an arrest is made in the act or under exigent circumstances. Search during arrest. If Sampson is arrested in the house, officers can search the immediate area for safety and evidence related to the arrest. A broader search for the gun would typically require a warrant. Tactical recommendations. Officers should prioritize verifying Joan's safety and de-escalating the situation. Legal counsel should be consulted to ensure actions comply with local laws and regulations regarding domestic incidents, emergency responses, and privacy rights.